How to enable or disable location suggestions in calendar on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, we tap on settings. Then in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on apps. Next, tap on calendar and then we scroll down and tap on location suggestions. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off, switch it on, and that's it. Once it is turned on, your calendar can suggest locations such as a map directions. If you enter in a location of your meeting, then the phone will add in the location and suggest a map location. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.